Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever wonder why Valorant is throwing up an error code van 140? The error code van 140 appears while running Valorant. It's a frustrating hiccup that can disrupt your gaming flow, but don't worry, there's a way to get back into the game. Now, the solution might not be what you're expecting. It's not about tweaking settings within the game, but rather, it's all about your operating system. Firstly, you can opt to play the waiting game. The developers at Riot Games are aware of the issue and are working tirelessly to fix it. So you can sit back, relax, and wait for a patch to roll out. However, if patience isn't your strong suit, there's another option. Upgrading your operating system. If you're running Windows 7, consider making the leap to Windows 10 or 11. This upgrade isn't just about getting the latest features and security updates, it's also a surefire way to eliminate the error code van 140. In summary, the Valorant Error Code van 140 is an issue currently experienced by players running the game on Windows 7. The solutions range from waiting for a developer fix to upgrading your operating system. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.